breath in, breath in, help your lung. 3 times. Yeah.
Still waiting for Darnell's game. Still missing Aussie.
Maybe in your pocket. It's not in there.
It's another day today. The last day. Everyone's just packing up. Guys, Darnell just finished his game and unfortunately they came 6th place. So proud of you, Nell. You played so well.
Happy birthday, Darnell. Happy birthday to you.
What's up, SV squad?
Today we're at a holiday.
Where?
A camera.
We're in Sydney right now for my Brumbies game today. I would like to make a little shout out to my family for coming to my games every single Monday, Saturday, to make that kind of sacrifice in the morning.
And then
8 o'clock, 9 o'clock.
You just come here, you grab the ball,
Game preps.
okay? Grab the ball, and then you walk back.
Hey, why you look like a money for Darnell?
Okay? When you can't run, you turn the ball, your kids, you know, your side.
Darnell, Papa's talking to you.
You turn the ball like that, okay?
Listen, because if you don't do it, we're going to
Your
smack
side,
you off.
your side, go. How you tackle the big man coming?
Go for the legs.
Like you. How you tackle? Don't use this one. No, don't use this one. Yes, you turn, 2, bang. Okay, okay, okay. All right.
You were not prepared, were you?
Stand up. Okay?
It's too early in the morning.
Yeah. Just to strong the ball. Breath in, help your lung.
Darnell, can you stop?
3 times. Yeah. Okay?
Ole una ya. He's such an egg, I could get him. Boy. I bet I don't even
What's up, SV squad? Here in Sydney right now to watch me play for the Brumbies. So I'm playing. I made it to the squad. Yeah.
What's this thing that you got here?
Wait, 1 second. Which one? Thank you, SV squad, for watching, and drop a like and hit that little bell and subscribe and like, and yeah.
Oh, I haven't done my hair yet.
Awkward. You wanna say hi? Do you wanna say hi? Who do you wanna make a shout out to?
Darnell.
Shout out to me?
Yeah.
For what?
For giving love.
What do you wanna be when you grow up?
Nothing.
Okay.
Hey guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. We're off now. Look at this piece of hair. Guys, minimal sleep, okay? Minimal sleep. I feel so tired, but not. Like, I woke up really early. I like literally jumped up. And then, I don't know. And then the kids come running into the lounge, jumping on me. Hey guys, we're here at the field. I'm not even gonna say it, because you guys already know what I'm about to say. I always say this when I get on camera. I got my little buddy here. Hey buddy.
Hey.
Got mummy bear. Oh, we can't go that side unless we walk in the bush.
Lizards live on bushwalks and grass.
No, they don't. They live in your bum.
No, don't.
Where do they live?
They're free and they live somewhere in long grass.
In long grass?
Yeah.
Who told you that?
No one.
They're about to play, guys. There's Neil. Actually, I don't know where he is. I don't even know what number he is.
Get your feet wet.
Oh, there he is. He's looking at his head standing up. I don't know if you guys can see, but he's got his hands on his hips. He always does that. That's like his signature pose. So we just finished Nell's game. He won that game. It was 7-0 to them. It's really, really dull today. Look at the sky. It's like really dark. His next game is in about an hour and a half. Oh, where is he? Oh, he's gone over there. He's chilling with his boys. We're still waiting for Darnell's game. Still missing Aussie. What do you have to say about that? What do you have to say about that?
I love Aussie. What's up, Aussie boy? Go to your bum hole.
Darnell's second game. Go now! Day 2 for now.
In your mind.
Lots of advice coming his way. I don't know if it's here. Come here. I think it is. Shh, bueno. It's Nell's birthday tomorrow, guys. He's turning 1. So Darnell, you have to play tough, play hard, and we want to see you grab the ball and give it a go. Like your first game.
Samoa, yeah, I see Samoa with the freaking teeth.
Darnell left his mouth guard, so now if he gets tackled and his teeth fall out, it's going to be like that forever.
Yeah, I'm scared.
When you go there, Darnell, listen. When you go there, you walk straight away to coach. Please do the favor. Please. I lost my mouth guard.
No, I didn't lose it.
What?
He said I have to borrow a spare.
Go off away. Go.
Maybe in your pocket.
It's not in there.
Go. Off away.
He's so annoying. What annoying here. Guys, it's so frosty this morning. Like, you cannot see anything. So frosty. The whole way here was all frosty. Because we're staying like an hour out from Camden. Because everything was fully booked. So we're like the first ones here because the boys play at 8:30. And Darnell needed to be here by 7:30. So we were up at 5:30. So tired, but I should be seeing my sisters today. Go now! Go now! Go now! Charge! We're here now. We've got Molly. Lucy's over there with Filippo and Eddie. And Darnell got a draw in his last game. Didn't really get good footage because the sun's crap. Lighting was crap. So I might be going to Paddy's Markets today to fix my laptop. I hope it's open. Hey guys, we're finally at home now. Darnell had a great game, didn't you, Nell?
Yeah. And I was just chilling out on Nell's game. So today we're at home. I just had a bath.
Darnell, they lost in the quarterfinals against Penrith. The Penrith team were like just like big Islanders. They were just like Islander style players, just too tough. But I just posted my video, the Samoan blah 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 video, the language week, and I do apologize, there was a delay in it, and some smart aleck was like, what do you mean it's over? And people just comment to complain. I'm just gonna comment to nitpick, please.
That's because at my preschool.
That's how I feel about it.
That's because at my preschool I sent in my mail in my post box and put it in my real post box. So, but with my preschool I went to the Botanic Gardens, and I'm going to the cafe with my whole preschool.
Oh, cool story. And when I reply to those types of people, they're like, oh, sorry, I didn't expect you to reply. Or they would just delete their comment. It's like, but anyways, even if you didn't expect me to reply, do you only say those things because you think that I don't read the comments or because I don't reply? Like, what? 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 Oh, you guys are crazy sometimes. Crazy, but thank you for watching anyways. We do appreciate that, even if you're just here to nitpick.
Well, maybe if you lie down a little bit, you'll grow up and big and strong. If you eat healthy food, big and strong.
And so we're talking about something completely different.
I know.
So why are you talking about that?
Because...
Morning, guys. It's another day today. The last day. Everyone's just packing up, getting ready to leave. Wow, look at my clothes. And we just got back from Kmart. We had to look for a local Kmart store because Dad accidentally knocked over the light in their room, so it smashed. And then I was like, oh crap, because you know how these people who rent their houses out, they're probably going to try and like boost up the price so high. So I looked at the I looked underneath the lamp and I saw that it was an Anko brand, and I'm familiar that Kmart stock those brands. So I just searched up on Kmart website and just went through their lights and I found it. So we had to drive about 20 minutes out to the nearest Kmart from where we're staying. Bought the lamp, swapped it over. Now it just looks good as new. You would never ever have thought that anything happened in that room.
Hi guys. This is day 3 of my rugby match thing. But unfortunately, because we lost against Penrith, yesterday we are out of the comp, and if we win today's game, we will come 5th.
Manuelo Asofana, Manuelo Asofana, Manuelo Asofana, Fa Manuele Tua. Hey! Hey! Look at this beautiful scenery, guys. Honestly, it's so beautiful.
Beautiful than me.
Beautifuler than you. How can you tell? Is it all the chips that are in the rock or what?
Pretty much. Scientist.
Such an egg.
No, I'm not a scientist. I'm smart. See, look, there's little cracks.
These are these two. Oh, the sun's so bad here. Zaya, show everyone what you got.
Mona, what are you eating? Hmm? Mona, what are you eating? What did you just eat?
Steak.
What? Steak? You liar, you ate chocolate.
Guys, Daniel just finished his game and unfortunately they came 6th place. They lost the quarter. Is this a quarterfinal? Not the quarterfinals. They lost 5th and 6th place. No, they lost 5th place, so they came 6th against the Lloydies. Daniel played super well. So proud of him.
The final positions as they
So proud of you now. He played so well.
third place, fourth, Manly.
Rock and roll, we'll read them all. Rock and roll, we'll read them all. 'Cause all we want is run that ball. are proud.
We are Brumbies, we are proud.
Just quickly, last game of the tournament, we name a man of the match, and today that goes to Blake.
Happy birthday, dear Donald. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Birthday punches.
1, 2,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
yeah, turn around.
13, 14, 15.
Okay, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, finish. Alright, ready? Smile.
That's enough now. Stop punching my nephew. Okay, 3, 2, 1, cheese. 3, 2, 1. Look at this little one. Go in the middle, Zaya. Go in the middle.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Kilo, kilo, aumefa lilo, lilo, oi se kailo. Oi kala kala pai singa, siala moia e kula mai maka. Tiksa pai mai nei sikausa. Iwe pili aku le kalimai, teo ei, alu foi le aso le paai. O au meu fai, ua katiu ya u pepelo, ua katiu. Kilo, kilo, au me fa lilo, lilo.